Hey everyone, thanks for watching today's video. In this video, I'm gonna create a super easy, stay at home, not a lot of effort eye makeup look. So I'm gonna keep it really simple. I'm gonna start with a little bit of concealer all over my eyelid, not using any eyeshadow primer today. I just want to keep it super simple. Then I went in with this bronzer, which is by Maybelline. Now I'm using this color because this is a bronzer that looks really good on my personal skin tone. But you can definitely follow along this tutorial. If you have darker skin, you just pick a bronzer that works for you. So a color that is slightly darker than your own natural skin color, so it will still give some dimension. So I'm gonna blend this all the way in my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner, making circular motions with my brush and just making sure that my crease is a little bit more warmed up, and also that it gives like a slight shadow in this area. So I just keep adding product until I'm satisfied with how much product is in this area. And then I also went in with a tiny brush and just blended really quickly some of this color underneath the lower lash line as well. So how much you want to use totally depends on your taste. I want to keep it very soft today because it's just a quick and easy stay at home eye look, which will just make your whole makeup look just a little bit more glammed up instead of like using nothing or only mascara. But we're just keeping it simple. So then I went in with this More Than Glow highlighter from the brand Catrice. A really beautiful kind of like soft golden champagne color. Again, you can use a highlighter that works really pretty for your own skin color. I'm using a super light color, but you can also go in with a darker color or any color that you like. You can even go for more like a pinky toned highlighter. Just use what works best for you. So I'm using my fingers to apply this all over my eyelid, which gives a really beautiful natural sheen on the eyelid. And then I used a tiny pencil brush and popped a little bit of that for in the inner corner as well, which will just kind of brighten up that inner corner area, which I really like. Then after that, I used a eyelash curler because I always do this before applying mascara. And then after this, I'm going in with my favorite mascara, which is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. So I'm using all affordable products for this makeup look, just to show you that you don't have to use expensive products basically. But I'm just keeping it simple, guys. I really hope you like this zero effort, even though it's not really zero effort, but you don't have to necessarily like pick your eyeshadow palette. You can just use your bronzer, your highlighter, some mascara, and you're good to go. So yeah, I really hope you all like this tutorial, even though it's super easy and quick. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you want to see more super easy and quick makeup looks, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!
Even if you try